Hello guys, welcome to EDUTEEB. My name is Pankaj Dubey. So today we are looking into the complete installation and setups which are required to write a C program and run it. So for this mainly we need two things. One is uh, editor, code editor, and the second one is compiler. Okay. So as a code editor, we are using here Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code. We say it in short. And for compiler, I will tell you the complete setups. So mainly, let's first see into the code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. And one more thing that you must have seen that uh, the people are using various different code editors like code blocks, um, uh, turbo c, sorry. So these things they must be using, but we are using Visual Studio Code because this is a very good code editor, and yeah, we can use it for writing writing codes for different programming languages also, like C++, Java, etc. That is why we have chosen it. um, and About the compiler, we are okay, let's see first what is compiler. Okay. So the compiler is a set of program, we can say, okay, which converts our machine language code, like whatever the code we write in the high level language like C, for example. Okay. So that converts our handwritten code into the machine language. Okay. So like we have written the code in C language. Okay. Then it will convert that code into the code which computer understands. Okay. So this is what the actual job of compiler. And it does one more thing, that whenever we write the code, it first checks for the syntax. Okay. If the syntax is correct, then only it converts it into the machine code. Okay. And that will be understandable, that is which will be understandable by the computer. Okay. So now let's see the steps to install the Visual Studio Code. To install VS Studio, we will need to search into the Google, like VS Code for Windows. Now we can go to this one. Okay, so here you will see the options to download from Windows or Linux or Apple, that is Mac. Okay. So we will be downloading for Windows. Okay. And so let's download it. Okay, so it's getting downloaded here. Okay. Mainly why we need the one code editor. So basically in the code editor we write the code, that's all. Like we write something in the notebook. Okay. Like this, we use code editor just to write the code, that's all. And the running part or compilation part of the that job is of compiler. Okay. Okay, so it got installed. Now let's open it. You can simply click on it. Okay, so you need to accept the agreement. Now do next. Okay, so here it will show the path. Okay, so here basically all the files related to VS Code will be uh, copied in that particular location. Okay, next, next. You can simply check all of them, no issues. Okay, next. Now installation got started. So okay, so now we are launching the VS Studio. Okay, so we have already installed VS Code now. So now next task is to install VS, to install compiler. So to install compiler, we need to search GCC on Windows. You need to search it, and then click on this SourceForge installer. Okay, now you will be redirected here. Now you have to download it. Okay, so let it start. Okay, so it got downloaded. Now click on this. Now do install. Okay, this is the path. Now do continue. Let's click on reinstall because I have already installed it. Okay, so it's installing. It will take some time. Okay, okay, we can close this browser, close these things. It's loading. Okay, now we can continue. Okay, so here it will install some packages. Okay, uh, let's click, you can click on all of them. Okay, mark for installation, mark for installation, all of them. Okay, now we have done. Now it will download the packages and install. Section dependency, install files, versions. Oh sorry, so after doing this you need to go here, installation. Okay, and update catalog. Okay, we have marked packages for installation, upgrade or removal, but you have not yet committed these changes. So review changes. Okay, okay to proceed. Okay, so now it will download again and download the packages which we have checked here. It will take some time, it is downloading. So after downloading, we will need to set the environment variable here. So I will explain after this installation. So the our compiler got installed. Okay, so we have installed all the packages. So let's close it. Okay, so yeah, so update also completed. Now let's close it. So you will see like this. Okay, so till now we have installed VS Code and the compiler. Now we need to set the environment variable. So for that you need to simply search environment variable, system variable, and here you need to click on this. Now inside system variables you need to search the path variable, this one. Okay, now click on edit. Now click on new. So now you will need to search uh, for it. Okay, so you need to check into C. Here you will see this min GW. Go inside it, find for bin, and you will get it. Okay, so now you have to paste it here. Click on new and paste it here. Okay, that's all. Before writing the program, we need to install the one extension. Okay, so you can search here like this, C++ extension. Okay, and here you will see this C++ extension pack. Go here, click on install. Okay, so once it gets installed, then we'll write a program and we will try running it. We have installed this extension, and now we'll go to the files and we'll create new file. Okay, and let's close it and do control S, that is save the program. We will give it name hello world.c. Here .c is extension which we use for C programming languages. I will explain it in detail if required. So for now, just keep in mind that for writing a C program, we need .c extension. Okay. Now save it. After saving it, just click on it just to hide this one. Okay. Okay. Now we will write a simple program and we will try to run it. Okay. Hash include stdio int main. Now write something printf hello world. Okay, now return 0. Okay, so we have written the program. Now we need to run it. So for this, go to terminal. Okay, run this active file. Okay, now go to cd. We need to go to this path. Okay, here the file is located, OneDrive desktop. So go to the path where the file got saved. Now go to this. Okay, now write gcc this command hello world.c. Okay, write dot slash a dot exe. Okay, okay, so we got the output. So here we had printed hello world and we got it. So our installation and setup is done. Now we will start our programming. Thank you.